Hi guys, this is Sandra.
Krista.
So as we promised, this is going to be part 2 of our Halloween haunted car wash experience.
It was pretty cool. I mean, the outside, if you guys seen part 1 already, I mean, it's pretty exciting. And then, you know, part 2 is the actual wash.
The actual wash. Once again, excuse my mouth. I know I need to wash it with soap. I only get like that when I'm nervous, okay?
True, you guys should have seen her at Not Scary Farm last year.
I get so scared.
She was screaming like crazy and they weren't even at us.
That's not funny. I do get scared. I get nervous. I get very nervous. And then they wouldn't leave us alone.
They weren't even close to us. That's the thing.
They were trying to open the door.
They actually, we wish we would have got that part. They actually went inside a car, and you hear everyone in the car screaming like crazy.
Yeah, they mess with the doors. They knock on the windows. They try to open it, so I make sure I lock the doors because I think I would have ran out of the car.
No, you don't think. She would have ran out the car. That's the thing. She would have ran out the car, and then we all would have been trying to look for her, chase her around. She probably would have been like 4 or 5 blocks away. Just.
Yeah, so let's get to the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and try to go make it there. It is fun Halloween activities for the whole family, so you don't want to miss out.
Yeah, you don't. I mean, a lot of things are closed out. A lot of things are just shut down, and this is one of the things that I feel like a lot of you guys will enjoy, you know?
So let's go to the video.
He's fucking gross.
There's 2 clowns here. There are 2 clowns. Hey, I really want to start it here.
He's not even looking.
Here we go.
Are you sure about that?
It's just a car wash, guys. It's just a car wash.
Guys, what's your right? What's your right? What's your right? Over here.
Don't look to your right.
You are next?
We are next.
Oh, no.
Right here. Oh my god.
Oh, the clothes. And the window open, like. Yeah. I'm going down.
It's like super soapy. You can't see nothing. That's
It's the right. Say goodbye.
And what would Blaney get? Wait, is it car wash? There's one next to a car wash.
Everybody open your window.
Everybody,
No.
everybody never open your window in the car wash. Never, ever.
Your Your car's gonna get flooded.
If you do, you'll help.
And I get some behind there and they just like, oh.
Behind there, you just taking a back behind there.
Look! Ah!
Oh! After you know that's how we know. That's like just come up. Daddy, he's quiet.
Clean.
Oh, what a war!
It's
They
amazing.
talk to
That
death.
was amazing.
You
It's
do
so
die.
fun.
Talk.
I liked it. I liked it. Wow.
Move the window a toy knife.
Don't say, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We try to record as much as we could without leaving anything out. But you have to experience it for yourself to know and to just have a good time. It is a wait, so get there early.
Take your snacks.
They say, yeah, they say that they start coming out as soon as it starts getting dark. So whatever time that is, must be what, 6:30.
Like around there. If you're able to get there earlier, try to get there earlier. I mean, like I said, take your snacks, take something to drink, and if you need to use the restroom, use it before. Because I mean, I think it's best to leave a little bit earlier because I do believe that they close the wash down
At 10, exactly. So if you've been waiting in that line for 2 hours, guess what? They don't care. They're gonna close
Bye-bye.
it by 10. And so we barely made it. And
Yeah.
we got there maybe like around 7:37, I think is when I started recording. So around 7:30 we got there. And we didn't go in the wash until like 9 something, a little bit past 9:30.
Yeah.
So
It was
we
like
barely
9.
made it.
9, about to be 9:50 already.
Yeah, we barely made it. And when we came back out the wash, we saw a long line of cars and they were just basically turning around. So get there early. RussellFisher.com is the website and it is in Huntington Beach. So look it up and take your family.
Have a good time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.